What is up, guys? It has been a minute since I did a video. For today's video, we're going to be creating this eyeshadow look for Valentine's Day, which is in about 2 weeks. So if you want to see how I created this look, make sure you stick around. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you aren't already to get notified when I upload a video. Now, before we get started though on this look, I do want to kindly thank Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you don't know who Ana Luisa is, they are a sustainable jewelry brand that has very unique, dainty pieces. All of their pieces are recycled gold and silver, and they have lab-grown diamonds. Very, very cool. They are having their Valentine's Day sale right now where you can get up to 25% off, and their pieces are already affordable, starting at $39, but then getting the up to 25% off, steal. Killer steal, and their pieces are amazing. Let me show you a couple that I have from them. This necklace is called Willow. It does come with both necklaces that you see. It has the ball chain necklace and then the polished coin pendant necklace. They pair very nicely together. These earrings are called the Cameron earrings. They are hoops, but instead of like your traditional round hoops, they're more kind of like an oval with an opening in the back. This mood ring, I absolutely love this mood ring. It has a color changing mood stone set in the center. And then this ring is the Chloe ring. This is like a vintage inspired interwoven look. When you purchase something from Ana Luisa, all their pieces have a 2-year warranty. So you are covered for 2 years when you get their jewelry, anything you get. And they are water resistant, hypoallergenic. They do not tarnish. I mean, they last so long. They're the only jewelry that I wear. I won't wear anything else. If you are interested in checking them out, which I recommend you do, I did link them down in the description box. There is a link for you guys to go check out. Like I said, for their Valentine's Day sale, they're having it up to 25% off their products. So definitely go check them out. Thank you, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring today's video, and let's get to the Valentine's Day eyeshadow look. All right, let's get into this Valentine's Day look. So I'm going to be using 2 different palettes. These are the palettes that I'm going to be using. The ABH Norvina palette. I think this is, Volume 5. And the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. Now, I already did prime my eyes. I used the Rare Beauty eye primer, and then I set it with a little bit of powder. So I'm first going to go into the Rose Quartz palette, and I'm going to go into the shade Happiness. And I'm just going to kind of put this in the crease to start off with.
He got it out for me, you know. He's such a lion searching prey. Sweet talking dirty on the floor. Look like an honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes.
Now I'm going to go into the Norvina palette. I'm going to go into the shade B3. That is going in my crease as well, just not as high as that first shade.
So spit it out to my face, it's okay. I've been busy working late, unrehearsing my face, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame.
Staying with the Norvina palette, I'm now going to go into the shade C3. And with that, I'm putting that on the outer part of my lid, and then I am going to start blending it into the crease as well.
Offended, baby. It's just a self-reviving thrift. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's mine.
Then again, staying in the Norvina palette, I'm going to go into the shade B2. And I'm going to put that and kind of blend that with the purple just on top.
It's okay, I've been busy working late, unrehearsing my face, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. So spit it.
So I'm going to deepen up the purple just a little bit more. So I'm going to go back into the Norvina palette, and I'm going to go into the shade D5. And I'm just putting that on the outer part of my lid, and then blending it into the lower part of my crease.
I'm busy loving myself.
also gonna take this B2 shade and put it on my lower lash line.
Oh, yeah. Spinning it out for me, spinning it out for me, baby.
And then staying in the same palette again, I'm gonna go into the shade C2. And that is gonna go on my lid where there's no shadow.
My mistakes, it's alright, it's okay. There is no one else to blame. I'm busy loving myself.
Now I'm gonna go into the Rose Quartz palette and I'm gonna go into the shade Moon Magic. I'm using my finger for this one and I'm putting this on top of the silver shimmer I just put down.
Look like an honest copy paste. Swarm around my head, look the way he goes. Buzzing like he thinks that he's...
I went back into the Norvina palette into the shade D5 just to kind of blend the shimmer into the matte on my eyelid.
It's okay, I've been busy working late, unrehearsing my faith, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame.
And actually, to make the blend a little bit more seamless, I went into the Huda palette and I went into the shade Cosmic Love. And I'm putting that where the shimmer meets the matte shade.
Don't get offended, baby.
Now I actually needed one more palette for the last step and totally didn't think about it. I'm using the ColourPop Stone Cold Fox palette and I'm going to use the shade, if I can turn it around, Dreamful right here. And I'm going to put that just like right under my brow and I'm also going to use that as my inner corner highlight.
Working late, unrehearsing my faith, like repeating my mistakes. It's alright, it's okay, there is no one else to blame. So spit it out to my face, it's okay, I've been busy working late.
And that's it. So let me go finish up the eyes, like put mascara and lashes and stuff like that on, and I'll be right back to show you the finished look. All right, well, here is the finished look. I just added some lashes and some lipstick and that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you again to Ana Luisa for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you guys go check them out. They are linked down below. And I have everything else linked down below as well, what I used today on my face. Again, thank you guys. Happy Valentine's Day, which is coming up soon. And I'll see you guys again soon.